In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a QuickBooks vendor list in just 5 minutes. Whether you're preparing for a meeting or just need a quick reference, these steps will guide you through the process smoothly and efficiently. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the QuickBooks homepage. Once there, you'll see a Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on that to get started. When you see the options for the different QuickBooks products, make sure to choose QuickBooks Online. It's important to select the right option because it will take you directly to the platform where you can access your business data. Next, enter your credentials. Now these are your unique login details, which means your email address and password. Once you've typed those in, go ahead and click on Continue. This will log you into your QuickBooks account and get you ready to start accessing your vendor information. After logging in, you're going to want to find the Reports section. This is the hub where you can access a variety of different reports for your business. On the dashboard, you should see the Reports tab. Click on it and this will open up a page with numerous report options. In the search bar, type in Vendor Contact List. This specifically will allow you to view all the vendors you deal with and their corresponding contact details, making it easy to print out when needed. Once you start typing, QuickBooks should give you a suggestion. Click on Vendor Contact List from the drop-down menu to proceed. Now QuickBooks will display the complete vendor contact list for you. Review the details and scroll through the list to ensure everything looks good. Once you are satisfied, proceed by clicking on More Actions, which is typically found at the top or side of the report. In the drop-down menu, you should see an option that reads Print Save as PDF. This is where you can format the report for printing or saving as a PDF document. Click on it. This step is crucial because it confirms that your vendor list is formatted correctly, making sure it's neatly organized for anyone that might read it. Finally, you'll be presented with a print button. Click on Print to commence printing your vendor list. Ensure that your printer settings are correct and that the printer is ready to go. If you're saving it as a PDF, simply follow the prompts to choose your save location. And there you have it. You've successfully printed your vendor contact list from QuickBooks Online. Keeping a printed version handy can aid in quickly referencing your vendor details without having to log in every time. Remember, you can always go back and reprint or view the list whenever necessary. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.